How to get a Salesforce admin job. The Salesforce economy is booming, and by 2026, it is expected to create 9.3 million jobs and generate close to $1.6 trillion in new business revenue, according to IDC. In other words, this means there is a huge opportunity to start a brand new career in one of the world's most inspiring and thrilling industries. In this video from saasguru, we will be specifically talking about how to land a Salesforce Certified Administrator job in 2022. And a few tips to make your journey a bit easier in the process. Before diving into the steps, you need to kickstart your career in Salesforce. You must understand why being certified helps with your career in Salesforce. Demand. As alluded in the introduction, there is a massive demand for Salesforce certified professionals, and the CRM giant has been trying to upskill as many new professionals as possible. Without a constant supply of new talent, it would be difficult to grow the entire ecosystem. Money. It's no secret that professionals in the technology field are among the highest paid in the world. Without a doubt, a career in Salesforce is extremely lucrative, and Salesforce systems are at the heart of thriving businesses. Furthermore, the scarcity of tech professionals means that employers are willing to pay more to hire Salesforce professionals. Flexible working. As a cloud-first company, most roles have the potential to be remote. This means more flexible working hours, but Salesforce themselves promote a positive company culture that prioritizes the employee's well-being and work-life balance within its ecosystem. Sound exciting so far? In this segment, we will go through a few key points to ensure you upskill in the right areas and build the foundation knowledge required to land yourself the admin job. Start your training. Consider enrolling in a certified and industry-recognized online Salesforce training program as the first step. With the help of saasguru, you will find the materials needed to ace your certification exam and enjoy a bright career in Salesforce. Furthermore, these courses will provide you with globally recognized credentials, allowing you to take your career to the next level. Build your network. When you have decided to start your journey in Salesforce, you don't have to be alone. There are multiple networks you can join and get in touch with the Salesforce community. The best option is to start is the Salesforce Trailblazer community. Trailhead is Salesforce's own community forum, where you can seek guidance or assistance from an expert. Aspirants can also use social media platforms like Twitter, Slack groups to connect to such communities. They are one of the best places to interact and learn from experienced professionals and stay updated about the Salesforce platform. Get Salesforce certified. After you have understood what Salesforce is all about, it's advised to look at getting certified. Receiving a Salesforce certification is a requirement for most jobs in numerous industries, and that's why it is crucial to stay up to date with the Salesforce admin certification syllabus and the exam structure. Familiarize yourself with Salesforce. To become acquainted with Salesforce, you will gain experience and gain insight into what it is like to work and be a part of the Salesforce ecosystem. There are several ways to accomplish this. Volunteering. Volunteering projects are not only a great way of expanding your network. It also improves your skills, boosts your CV, and helps you prepare for your interviews. Participating in real-world projects. This entails completing practice projects. This allows you to demonstrate your abilities and demonstrate your worth in order to gain experience without having to work. These projects also serve as good topics to discuss during interviews, allowing you to feel more confident and tap into your full potential in real-world scenarios. Super badges. Acquiring super badges on Trailhead is also a great way to improve your skills and broaden your understanding of how Salesforce works. Super badges put you through complex business challenges, and you must devise a solution to overcome them. Although they are difficult to solve, it is worthwhile because it adds tremendous value to your CV. Start applying for jobs. After you've armed yourself with all of the necessary knowledge, certification, and experience, the final step would be to put yourself out there and apply for your desired Salesforce job. At this point, you should have a good idea of where you stand, and you should be fully focused, motivated, and, of course, calm as you look for that perfect job. We hope this video guide has armed you with all the information you need in order to get started, and remember to sign up with saasguru and get started with Salesforce certification preparation. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Also, follow us on social media for all the latest updates.